Made it to Mammoth. A little bit of a situation there. There's snow everywhere. We don't have four-wheel drive, so we can't do this.
Where's our four-wheel drive?
I don't know. We left it at home. I'm excited. Tried to get in it, but actually we kind of got stuck. This might be too deep for us. Alright, so that didn't work out, so we're going to another spot. Alright, so far, not so bad. This is the only issue we have right here is a bunch of big branches. That was so fun.
Who's next one?
Went the wrong way again. Now we gotta go in reverse for 10 miles.
She said, hello mister, pleased to meet you. I wanna hold her, I wanna kiss her.
Got the meat. Dude, we're on a mate grind. Caffeine. And then Aidan decided to get mate alcohol. Dude, oh my gosh. Fire in the hole. Dude. Babe, I hate to say it, but you fucking ate. You can't really tell because of glare, but it's good. What is it?
Obsidian.
We decided we're gonna just follow our big backs and we're not gonna hike. We're gonna go down to Bishop or Lone Pine. We got our matchas and our horchata lattes. Probably gonna get more matchas.
So let's dive in and show you all the options.
Sometimes gets backed up if you're trying to get back into Reno, so.
What a boring job, huh? You're like, these guys are just so respectful.
It says that over here.
People sometimes sneaked out temporarily rather than request permission.
They sneaked out or?
Sneaked out. I'm all sneaked out. Said that?
Drowsy and go to sleep.
That's actually hilarious. Found a cool hangout spot. This is one of our favorite spots anyways. You really outdid yourself, babe. And what are you having it with? So that's it. We decided we're gonna go home tonight. If you guys like this video, drop a comment. Till the next one. Aiden, you wanna say anything? All right, peace out.